Understanding come and came in English. Lesson on the usage and examples of come variants. Introduction. In this lesson, we will explore the different uses of come, came, and come in English. These verbs are commonly used to indicate movement or direction, and they often appear in everyday conversation. Let's dive into their specific uses and see examples that help us understand when and how to use them. Come in and come out. We often use the phrase come in when someone knocks on a door. It's a polite way to invite someone into a room or space. The opposite is come out, which can indicate someone leaving a place and moving outward. Examples. 1. Someone knocks on your door. You say, come in. 2. A woman came out of the shop with 2 big bags. 3. After inserting your money, the ticket comes out of the machine. These phrases can be used for both people and objects, especially when describing movement between inside and outside areas. Come back and come home. The phrase come back means to return to a certain place, often where the speaker is. Come home is a specific variation that indicates returning to one's home. Examples. She went on a trip for 3 days, and she came back yesterday. 2. They came back from Italy yesterday. 3. Mother, what time did you come home last night? And, about 11 o'clock. Mother, what? 11? That's too late. The phrase come back is often followed by from to indicate the place of origin. Other important uses of come. The verb come has other important uses, especially in everyday conversation. Examples. 1. Asking about origin. What country do you come from? Answer, I come from Norway. 2. Inviting someone to join. Do you want to come along? This means come with us. 3. Inviting someone to visit. Come and see me sometime. In these examples, come helps in expressing movement or origin in different situations. Additional tips. Observe prepositions used with come to understand its applications. Familiarize yourself with common expressions with come to improve fluency. Learning various uses will make your English sound more natural. Thanks for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more grammar tips. And if you have any questions or need more examples, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Click here to subscribe. To watch our previous lessons, click here.